Hi class, this week we're learning all about colors. We're practicing reading color words and using them in our writing because when we use color words that adds descriptions to our writing and helps our readers get a better picture of what we're writing about. So this book is called Cat's Colors and it's written and illustrated by Jane Cabrera. And I really like that these illustrations are painted. It looks like maybe they used oil paints, which is kind of cool. I'm Cat. What is my favorite color? We have red, blue, yellow, purple, orange, white, brown, green, pink, black. In the shape of a question mark. Is it green? Green is the grass where I like to walk. Is it pink? Pink are the petals of my favorite flower. Is it black? Black is the night when bats swoop and soar. Is it red? Red is the rug where I snooze by the fire. Is it yellow? Yellow is the sand on the sunny beach. Is it purple? Purple is the yarn tangled in my claws. Because kitties like to play in yarn. Is it brown? Brown is the earth where I dig my holes. Is it blue? Blue is the sky where I chase the birds. Is it white? White are the clouds floating in the sky. Is it orange? Yes, because I like how they're using that word because to tell us why they love that color. Because orange is the color of my mother. That's why he loves that color. And that is the end. I really like this book because it told us what his favorite color is and why he loves that color.